The Blackview BV6300 Pro is a nice device, and the phone somehow it's inspired by the Xiaomi Black Shark. It has a nice and attractive body. You will also get a fingerprint scanner with LED flash and cameras on the panel in vertical segment. On the hardware, the Blackview BV6300 Pro has a MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor, which has proven to be fast and reliable both in gaming and multitasking. Overall, we can say the phone is tough, slimmer and lighter as well. It offers durable quality and also portable and easier to handle. It has IP68, IP69 rating, making it waterproof up to 1.5 meter in depth for 30 minutes. It also drop proof and dust resistant. On the camera department, it has a quad rear camera that is built up by Samsung. Blackview BV6300 Pro has a 16 megapixel main shooter with 8 megapixel Sony ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and 3 megapixel assistant camera. The camera shoots full HD videos, and with the LED flash, users will take stunning photos with both in the daytime or night. The front camera on the device is 30 megapixel by Sony with AI face beauty function that improves your facial features. Some people use digital cameras and expensive camera phone. Smart people just use BV6300 Pro. Here's why. BV6300 Pro is excellent camera budget phone that lets you take fantastic pictures without need to be a photograph pro. Its shock resistance and waterproofness can cope with even unpredictable elements on the go. Pocket size makes it portable wherever you go. Most of all, the phone camera combo makes it a very cost-effective gadget to invest in. If you want to buy this great smartphone, be sure to click on the purchase link down below this video. That's all for today, guys. See you soon. Bye.